Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to build and publish your MCP server. So let's get started. First, we use UV to create the MCP project. UV is a CLI tool like npm or pipe. So here's the project we created, and this code we don't need it. I wrote a hack news MCP server, and let's just copy and paste it. You can find the detailed code in the video description. Next up, we add the MCP into our project dependencies. And after that, we're gonna install our MCP server into the cloud desktop. Let's just type uv run ncp install main.py. And you can see it's installed succeed. Next up, let's jump into cloud desktop. Here we click setting and connectors, and we can find the aiagents. So our MCP server has already been in the cloud desktop. Let's try to test our MCP server. Let's say we're gonna search hack news top 5 today. So we can find that the cloud is calling our MCP server, and the results seems pretty good. Let's go back to our project and let's create a subfolder and move the main.py file into this subfolder. And then we create an init Python file. Next step is very important. Let's go to the readme.markdown file. We need the MCP name and the URL. You also have to make sure your project has been pushed to your GitHub. So next, let's go to the PyPI website. If you don't have an account, you have to register your account at first. Go to the account setting, and we're gonna find the API token. And here we have to create an API token. This is gonna be used at the next step. After you get your PyPI API token, let's go back to our project. Let's see this project configuration. And I'm gonna copy paste my previous configuration. And the most important thing is the version. Let's say this version is 1.10. After that, let's run uv build. It's built very fast. Next, we use Twin to upload our package to PyPI. If you don't have Twin, you have to install it first. And here we're gonna find it requires us to input our API token, and so you can copy paste your token from your PyPI. Let's go back to the PyPI website. You can see here we can find our project has been successfully uploaded. The final step is upload our MCP server to the registry. Let's go back to our project. We have to install the MCP publisher. Let's run MCP publisher init. We can find there's a server.json file. We're gonna modify this JSON file and ensure your version is correct. Like here, we're gonna update our version to the 1.10, and we also need to update the URL. Next, let's log in with GitHub. Finally, we just need to run MCP publish. We can see our project has been successfully published. How to verify our MCP server? Let's open the browser and input this URL and search our MCP server. And you can find this is the search result, and it means our MCP server has been successfully published. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.